Maintaining calibration is easy with the Bison calibration rig. Begin by placing the scale into the calibration rig and sliding the locking plate into position. Make sure the scale is upright. Start the Bison configuration app. Power on the scale and then put it into config mode by pressing the yellow button to show off 3, off 3, off 3, off 2. The scale will appear in the config app. You can connect and configure up to 4 scales simultaneously. The scale will appear and display OK when it's ready. Press Configure to continue. The app will now show you a menu with all of the available configuration options. A full description of the options is available in the user guide. The first step in the calibration process is to set the 0. With no load on the scale, choose Set 0 on the app. Select the scale and then press Send. The scale will show CZ Set. Next, apply load to the scale. Place the hydraulic cylinder carefully on the reference load cell and zero the reference indicator. Close the valve and pump the hydraulic hand pump until the cylinder is engaged with the scale. When you have confirmed that everything is safe to proceed, slowly pump the handle and watch the load increase on the reference indicator. Keep pumping until the load reaches about 8,000 kilograms. Then lock the collar on the hydraulic cylinder and release the hydraulic pressure. With the scale now under load, place the bubble level on the top, making sure it is clear of the button and metal frame. Adjust the feet until the bubble is centred. Once level, you can calibrate the tilt angle. Select Calibrate Tilt from the app menu. Choose the scale from the list and then press Send. The scale will show CT Set. Now it's time to calibrate the gain. Select Calibrate Gain from the app menu. Enter the weight value shown on the reference indicator and press Send to pass this number on to the scale. The scale will show CG is set. When you are ready to apply the changes you have made, press the green button on the app. The display will show Saved and then the scale will reboot. You can use the diagnostic setting on the Bison VGM app to check that the scale is reading the same as the reference indicator. Remove the hydraulic cylinder by pumping it back up to about 8,000 kilograms to release the collar. Hold the cylinder while releasing the hydraulic pressure and carefully remove the cylinder. That's all there is to it. You can buy your own calibration rig or contact Bison to see if there's one available in your area for hire.